I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Huawei model and Android version. This determines which installer works. Once done, backup photos and contacts, because you will grant app installation from unknown sources. Next, enable developer options only if needed, then enable USB debugging. Make sure your battery is above 50% and connect to stable Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. You'll now download required APK packages. Keep them organized in one folder, since you'll install them in a specific order. You'll install core Google components in sequence because dependencies matter. First Google Account Manager, then Google Services Framework, and finally Google Play Services. Use APKs that match your Android build, otherwise services will crash. Allow each app to finish installation, then tap Open where required. Once installed, reboot the device to initialize background services. After restart, open Play Store and sign into your Google account. If a prompt hangs, force stop the app and reopen. You may need to clear cache and retry. You finish by updating Google Play Services and Play Store inside the Play Store so apps run smoothly. This reduces crashes. Make sure Play Protect is enabled for safety. If the Play Store won't open, clear cache and data for Google Play Services, Google Services Framework, and Play Store, then reboot. This often fixes sign-in loops. If issues persist, reinstall the exact APK versions matched to your OS, or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up. This resolves corrupted installs in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.